Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So we've got another unboxing from the Royal Mint today. Now I found it's easiest to open these boxes, instead of going through the top with a blade, I find it's easier just to turn them upside down and pull them open like this. So let me know what you think about that, because I know a lot of people kind of cut through the address label and everything like that on the other side. And it just makes it a little bit more awkward, I think, especially if you're filming unboxing videos, because then you have to really worry about blanking out your address and everything like that. So yeah, a little tip there, just flip it over upside down like this, and then you can literally just push your hands into these tabs, pull them open. Really quick way of getting into these boxes. And also you get straight to the coin instead of having to pull this out first. So yeah, plus the invoice stays down the bottom as well. So quite a nice quick way of getting into boxes when you're doing unboxing videos when you've got a YouTube channel. Now let me know what you think about this camera angle. This setup is very new, as many of you all know, and I'm still playing around with the lighting and the backdrop and all the rest of it. So do let me know what camera angles you prefer. I am going to try and mix it up a little bit. Sometimes I'll film kind of more downwards, sometimes I'll film more from the side, and I'm just going to play around with different angles, different lighting settings, and yeah, see how the videos come out. So let's get straight into it. I'm not exactly sure what this one is. I've ordered a few things from the Royal Mint. This is one of the Harry Potter coins. Now I'm quite enjoying this series. It's actually quite a small series, and I believe this could be the actual last one in the series. It's only a small series of 4 coins, but what makes it really special is the first 2 had the Queen's portrait on them, and the second 2 had the King's portrait. So I think that's quite a unique kind of feature for a coin set from the Royal Mint. So yeah, quite a nice little set. Let's see what the coin looks like. Shame there, a bit of box is a bit damaged there. Look, it's like twisted up a little bit, which is a shame because I like to keep my boxes pristine. So I'll have to see how I feel about that. I might send it back, because I think the boxes are just as important as the coins when you're buying proof coins. People buy proof coins for the whole presentation side of things, not just for the coin itself. So I think it's very important when it comes to selling the coins in the future, to making sure that you are keeping the boxes and the booklets and everything pristine. Now you can pause it if you're interested in reading this booklet. Just pause the screen and you can have a read through. But yeah, really cool, these booklets that come with these proof sets from the Harry Potter. You've got all the characters in there, lots of unique artwork. I just think these coins are going to do very well long term, not just with coin collectors, but also with die-hard Harry Potter fans. So yeah, what I'll do in the future, I'll do another video and I'll get all 4 of these coins out together so you can see them all together. In this video I'll just showcase this one. Now let's have a quick look at the COA, see what number we got. You can see 2252, and I think it's a 5,000, yeah, 5,000 mintage. Let's have a look at the star of the show. Absolutely gorgeous coin. Now usually I wouldn't recommend opening the capsules at all, but I like to open them just to show you a little bit more detail on the coin. But I can't see any blemishes in this lighting. I will have to check it in better lighting, in daylighting, but it looks fine. We'll check the other side. Gorgeous series, gorgeous coin. Let's just dim this lighting a little bit so that you can appreciate the detail. really, really nice. And like I said, this collection is really unique because it does literally just have 4 coins in it, 2 with the king on them and 2 with the queen on them. So yeah, really nice, small, unique collector's series. And like I said, I think it'll do well amongst coin collectors and amongst Harry Potter fans as well. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. Did you collect these Harry Potter proof coins? Did you give them a miss? Like I said, I only really got them because of the fact that there was just a kind of smaller series, 2 of the king on, 2 of the queen on. I think it'll look really, really nice all lined up together. So I will do that in a future video. I will showcase all 4 of them lined up together so you can have a little look. But yeah, that's the video for today. Let me know what you think. As always, thanks very much for watching. Thanks for all the support. And I hope you have a nice day.